Hi, this is Lykon Automotive. Just like my customers know that we can align RVs, something like this. We can do 4 wheels, or if it's a tractor, a big tractor, we can do 6-wheel alignment. This is capable of doing all kinds of alignments on medium duty and big trucks. Also, we have a 30,000 pound lift here. This lift will lift a 30,000 pound vehicle, which makes it easy for us to service RVs. Anybody has an RV, you need us to service it, inspect it, oil changes, brakes, suspension, all that stuff, we do it all, but we do not do anything inside the RVs. Also, the truck this size over here, we can even align this on this alignment machine here. Just let my customers know that we can do alignments on these RVs. A lot of people like to align them because of the fuel mileage. If your alignment's out just a little bit, the tires will drag and you'll lose fuel mileage. Thank you very much. Lykon Automotive.